Hi everyone, it's Denise Austin. Let's do it right. Today, it's a lunge. So, think good posture. Bring your leg out straight in front of you. Bend your knees, keeping it at a 90-degree angle. Knee in line with your ankle. Never let your knee go past your toes. That's too hard on your knees. Keep it nice and strong and straight. And then use the weight through your heels to push off. That way you target tone your buttocks and your thighs. The lunge is one of the best ways to reshape the bottom half. And as you push away, use your heel. That's it. That works the buttocks. Keep strong, straight. If you want to add weights, go ahead and put them right here or right here for extra challenge. And there you have the perfect lunge.